Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If an angle is 64 degrees more than its complement, then the measure of the angle is. So let us assume let the angle be x degree. Therefore, its complement is equal to 90 minus x degrees. We are given that this angle is 64 degrees more than its complement. Therefore, x minus 64 is equal to 90 minus x. This is given. So, x plus x equal to 90 plus 64. This x goes over here, changes its sign. The 64 goes over here, changes its sign. So, let's see. We have 2x equal to 154. Therefore, x equal to 77 degrees. So, the required angle is 77 degrees.